Can a DJI drone fly in a blizzard? After adjusting the exposure settings, the footage turned out pretty cool. Now, typically I like to take off near a prominent landmark or open field for a simple return. However, this time, like a prototypic lost man, I had to swallow my pride. I can't believe I actually have to do this.
Return to home.
So embarrassing. Occasionally a snowflake landed on the lens, making visibility more difficult, but overall the DJI Mini 3 Pro handled the flight very well. The drone burned through battery about 20% faster given the low temperatures, but otherwise had no other performance issues. Yeah!